I've done a couple of deep dive videos on what makes the Scott Topper Shrike the absolute pinnacle of out the front designs that have pretty much ever been produced. Certainly the pinnacle of what's in production right now. And I don't normally do more than one teardown video in a week, but I was joking with my buddy Kevin, pretty sure it was him, Knife Nerdery, about doing a fastest OTF disassembly ever video. So let's give it a shot. Second hand's coming up on the top. I haven't actually practiced this. Alright, we're going to pop the clips off. Derail the blade. Get the clips out of the way. Top cover. Alright, 27 seconds. That's not too shabby. I gotta say, I'm even impressed myself a little bit. I always love that the COA is there in the top cover. That's so freaking cool. Alright, coming back around to the top of the minute. See how quick I can put it back together. And go. Blade in the chassis. Chassis in there. Slider. Button. Top cover there. Rings back on. Oh, this is going to be a little slower. The rings are going to be fiddlier going on than they are coming off. Add a little more nails to pick them up. Might be a little faster. Almost there. One more ring. 57 seconds, I think. Yeah. Oh man, I haven't played with this in probably a month or so. I don't think I've picked it up since I got home from Blade Show. This thing never ceases to amaze me. It's like an OTF was built by elves or aliens or alien elves. So yeah. These are absolutely amazing pieces. They're only available from Jeremiah at Pioneer Valley Knives, PVK Vegas. They're not cheap. They're very, very expensive. Table price on these is $3,600. Yeah, you heard right. $3,600. And secondary is way, way higher because they're incredibly rare. I think there's a few dozen of these in existence. But yeah, it's an amazing piece. Hadn't had it on camera for a little while. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick peek at it, and I will catch you guys tomorrow.